Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about some principles of accessible design, in particular, which ones are new to me, which ones are important for me, and which ones I might already do. So looking at this webaim.org website, it has some principles of accessible design. So for a website or web content, having these things is important for those with disabilities to be able to use and learn from your online website effectively. And so of this list, taking a look at this list, the ones that are new for me that I didn't really realize was happening or that I should do is here, this first one, provide equivalent alternative text. That is new to me and something that's important because, didn't really realize that, if I do have a blind student or one with visual impairments, that if they're using a screen reader and or they just can't see the website very well, that I do want to have some alternative text for that picture to describe what that picture is, or in my case, I teach science, so I might have to describe what the graph looks like, what's going on, or maybe a data chart or something like that. So that's a new one that I didn't think of. That is pretty important. Another new one for me was, let's see, where is it? Here, don't rely on color alone to convey meaning, because, some people are colorblind. And so, and I've had colorblind students before, and, in class, we just, I kind of just, explain to them, what color it is, or describe the shades, and help them through that. But if I'm teaching somebody online, then I do need to make sure that I have either an alternative text that describes the colors, or I do need to kind of maybe put it in black and white with varying shades rather than actual, rainbow colors. So that is a new one for me. Now, some of the ones that are most important that I think are, and some of them are kind of actually quite logical, but sometimes I don't do this. So where is it? Write links that make sense out of context. And so what that means is, we're not going to, when I link something, I want to make sure the link is the name of the article, document, video, or whatever that the student is looking for. So if they're using a screen reader, the link will say video of, blah, blah, blah. Or link, it would, the link would be the name of the document that they need to open up in order to answer the questions or something like that. Instead of just a click here or, any of those type of things that you've seen. And then also captioning for videos. I do make a lot of my own videos for video notes that kids do at home in order to get notes and, kind of review and embed the content into their brains that we talked about during class. And so I do want to make sure that the videos are captioned for those that have, hearing loss or difficulty hearing. For me, I do already write out or type out most of what they actually, like the content that they actually need. There is some other stuff though on the side, when I'm doing some different examples of practice problems or whatever, and I'm I'm telling them tricks and not really writing that down, where closed captioning is going to be very important. Luckily, I do upload everything to YouTube, and YouTube has a closed captioning feature, which is awesome. And then let's see, the other one that is new to me is this provide headers for data tables, and that's super important in science. So I need to make sure that for their accessibility, I need to make sure that I do that correctly for data tables.